Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Today I am in Target Dollar Spot where they put out new treasures, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So full disclaimer, I'm starting with my favorite item. This is a bath tray. It is only $5. I am so surprised. So these are quite large, obviously probably a standard size for a bath board. I think they're beautifully done. They have a notch in them for a stemmed glass, a few ridges, and a nice little book ledge. They also have a little spot for a drink. This is a great item for $5. My second favorite item is this bed tray. I think it is so cute. Now it's smaller when it comes to bed trays than maybe ones you've seen. Still a really good size for $5. And if you notice my voice is just a little off, that's because I'm getting over a sinus infection. So apologies there, I'm a little raspy. But I have to tell you guys, I was really excited when I found these. So they're small. Now I did measure them for you guys because I'm that crazy. They're $3 a piece, little ceramic pots. Now the turquoise and yellow are both 3 inches off of the ground. Very short and squatty. When I first saw them, they were actually stacked like this in the Bullseye's playground, but then I realized that they were freestanding. So these smaller ones that are only 3 inches tall are 5 inches wide across on the top. That's the same for the blue one. Now this one is actually my favorite, but it is only 5 inches across lengthwise where it is wider. The blue one is obviously the largest, being 5 inches tall and 5 inches across, and they all have drainage holes. I think these would be great for succulents. The next item I think is going to be really popular are these little bamboo trays. Now they're not very large, but I do think they're pretty on trend, and I would say that you could probably fit a couple of drinks on here. They're definitely doing some things for summer, so I'm going to show you guys a few things you could use with this, but it could be great as decor as well. And speaking of decor, they're putting out 3 new box signs that are interchangeable. I love these. So they do have tooth hangers. You could use them either on a tabletop or hang them. They're $5 a piece. This one is definitely my favorite. If you like to decorate for the seasons, you'll love this one as well because they've got pretty much everything except Halloween covered on this one. They also have this version that's a lot more bright and colorful, and I'm trying to show you guys all of the prints that come in each one. You get 6 different slides. I did find some new pillows. We'll start with these. These are just round, velvety, tufted throw pillows. They're a good size for Target Bullseye's playground. I would say probably about maybe, I don't know, 16 inches around, I would say. They all have the button in the middle and are a velvety fabric. I think they're so cute. They remind me of macaroons. Now this is, I think, one of the best things they've ever put out, and I'm not joking. These are huge frames. They're $5 a piece. I do like that they are plexi and not glass. Now, if I had to guess, I'd say they're probably about, I don't know, maybe 24 inches, 22 inches tall. And they do all come with a print, but if you don't like those, they sell 4 other options. And you guys, they're only $1. Oh, it's so nice that there's a few things that are just $1 back in the dollar spot. So as you can tell, these are a good size. These will fit perfectly in there. Here's a closer look at the dimensions of the posters. Not sure how that translates to the mat and the frame. Back to some pillows. So I was actually on my way out of the store, and in the pillow section, they actually had Bullseye's playground pillows. So I came across 3. This one is sort of a teal on the back, and then it's got the palm fronds, has a couple of black tassels there in the corner. It's pretty standard as far as size for the dollar spot. And you guys know the drill, they're all $5 a piece. Now this one I really like and am tempted by. It's coming off a little bit pink here, but I'll show you guys. It is a white and black stripe. Now, if you ask me, this looks a lot like the pillows from the pillow section in Target. It definitely has almost that hearth and hand vibe, and I think it's going to be very popular. The other pillow I found is way more summer. It's got the pink, orange, and white bright colors, and it is a lumbar pillow. Now I'm going to show you guys a few things for entertaining. I was surprised when I saw this. It is not glass, it is plastic, so it's non-breakable. It's a pretty good sized little pitcher for entertaining. It's $5, and it is part of what they're putting out for their entertaining tableware. They also have this really cute little condiment bench for your mustard and ketchup. Now, they did a picnic table a few years back, and that one was a lot more heavy duty. This one's a pretty light item, but it is $5 and comes with both the ketchup and mustard holders. And I was surprised to see a new tier tray in my store. I have not come across these, and you can't beat a tier tray for $5. Back to some summer items, they're putting out some really cute lanterns. So wanted to give you guys a size perspective. I'd say these are probably about maybe 9 inches tall. And then they do have these little hanging handles. I only found it in the powder blue and pink. Definitely could change the color with a little bit of spray paint and hang them up, fill them with some LED candles. They're also selling a smaller version. These remind me of the teacup ride at Disneyland. They are coming in packs of 2, the yellow and pink. They are $5 a piece and also come in the green and blue version. I'm curious to hear, would you guys have rather seen these in like black and white and neutrals? Now back to some artwork. They are putting out some fun things. This little Hello Sunshine sign for $3. They also have a little $3 Home Sweet Home house, and this little round embroidery, You're Amazing, that is also $3. And now on to some cactus. So these are not super big. They are petite, but they're so cute. I love these, and they're only $3. They do come in the different colors, so I can't wait to see what else they bring out, because I'm starting to see a lot of summer color in the Target dollar spot. They're also putting out these $5 canvas storage bins. These are a pretty good little size for $5. My only problem with them is that they are collapsible, and they do seem like they wouldn't stay up very well, but it also comes in the gray. And they did a Lazy Susan. I wish it wasn't a peace sign. It's still cute for summer, and it is a $3 item, so you can't beat the price. But I do kind of wish it was just a plain wood round. But who can resist a Lazy Susan, especially for $3? Also for $3, they're putting out some stemware. Now these are acrylics, so they're not going to be breakable. They are $3 a piece, and I'm finding it in the 3 different versions: the blue seahorse, the pink flamingo, and the green cactus. Speaking of drinkware, they are putting out some very petite insulated wine tumblers. Now I love that these are colors so you can tell whose is whose, but they are tiny for $3. They come in the pink, green, and blue. I'm also finding some flamingo string lights. They are $5, wish they were $3, and some new stems for summer, like these palm fronds for $3. I think we're going to see a lot of things for camping. They did start to put out these marshmallow skewers for $3 in a 2-pack. And this is something I was really excited about. It is a 5-pack of posters for just $1. I think we're going to be seeing some more frames the next time we're in that go with these. But you do get 5 prints. There's a few different versions you can choose from. I'm trying to show you guys the front of them, and then show you guys the back so that you can see the other prints that come with each one. I think that's a great little deal to get 5 posters, and they're just $1. So nice to see that back in the dollar spot. Just a couple more things I want to share with you guys. They have these little Bisque Planters. They come in an elephant, an alpaca, and a dinosaur. These would be great with the kids, maybe even to paint them and then plant in them, and they're $3 a piece. And I think Mother's Day items are going to start showing up, because I did find these gorgeous. Oh, they're so pretty. I wanted to bring this white one home with me. It has a blue lid. I kind of wish it was black. but they're only $3 a piece and they're great for your coffee and they're dishwasher safe. I'm seeing a lot of tech items pop up and they do have out a new wireless mouse. They also have a $3 glass case in a few different prints. I know a few people who could use this gray one and a few travel things. So this is a great little travel pouch. Now it is mesh on one side, so I guess you could take it to the pool. It has 3 different compartments, so I thought that was a great buy for just $3. And lots of sunglasses. They're also putting out some umbrellas. Now these are smaller. This is definitely a child size, but I found it in 2 different prints. In the rainbow, they're only $5, and I really like the blue water print. And if you have a little person in your life, you're gonna wanna look for this. It's a super cute little bowling set. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to the dollar spot today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.